Do you know you can be making massive money by implementing this strategy that I'm going to show you? If you are going to follow this strategy step by step on how I'm going to show you, you are definitely going to make massive money every day. I know in this channel I should talk about different ways of making money. So if you come across my channel for the first time, I am Crypto 001. What I do on this channel is that I give you guys updates on how to make money from crypto space. So without wasting much time, I want to dive into the video of the day to actually show you that this is actually possible, that you can be making money massive always and always with this strategy I'm going to show you. So first of all, what you need to do is to click on threads. Once you are on thread here, you now click on P2P. Once you click on P2P, you now wait for it to load so that you'll be able to complete your transaction. Once you are here on P2P, it depends on where you are living, the country you are living. You are going to see your currency symbol here on top. So I live in Nigeria, so that's why you are seeing NJN here. So you want to start this trade with 50,000 naira. You know, normally you guys know I normally start trade with 50,000 naira always. Because why I do start trade with 50,000 naira, because it's not everybody that have the higher capital to start business. So I always do this for the purpose of everybody. So what we need to do is like this, click on filter, toggle off this so that you see a lot of merchants. So let's just toggle off this. Okay, we have toggled off this. You can see this merchant is actually selling at the rate of 1,682.33 naira per USDT. So what you need to do is to click on this first guy. Once you click on this first guy, you now insert 50, let's say 50,000 naira. Let's say 50,000. With our 50,000 naira, we are going to have 29.72 USDT. So let's move to where you are going to sell it. After spending 50,000 naira, you are going to get 29.72 USDT. So you now go to currency here. You now click on USD. So once you click on USDT, you place sell. Once you place sell, this is what you are going to do. You click on filter, toggle off this, and click on confirm. Can you see? Once you click on filter, you toggle off that, you will see a list of merchants who are willing to sell for you at this price. But what we need to, because a lot of people don't have this payment, this kind of bank, Momo, Alipay, WeChat, and the rest. Some of people don't have. What you need to do is to click on payments and change to bank transfer. We are going to use bank transfer. You click on bank transfer. Once you click on bank transfer, you can see this guy is actually going to buy. This guy is actually buying from the limit of $15 to $198. So we have 29.72 USDT. So what we need to do is to click on this first guy. So with this first guy, because it's actually accepting bank transfer, I'm going to show you the bank you are going to use for this arbitrage. So you now click on and you now insert the amount you have, 29.72 USDT. Will actually give you 32.69 USDT. Guys, can you see? Your 29.72 USD will give you 32.69. So let me go and show you the bank you are going to use for this arbitrage. I believe a lot of you are familiar with Geegpay, so we are going to use Geegpay for this arbitrage opportunity. What you need to do is to click on Geegpay. You can see I've been doing transaction with Geegpay. You can see. So Geegpay is very legit. So what you need to do is to select the bank you want to use. This is USD. You want to use USD. So see the bank here, USDT. You can see my name here. You can see my account details and everything. So you can see my name here. You can see my account bank name, account balance, and every other things you can actually use for this. So what you need to do is to copy this account number you are seeing here, account details, and go and paste for the guy there, and the guy will actually transfer money to this your Geegpay. So let's go and see how much we will be making if we actually receive money to our Geegpay. So once you receive your money on Geegpay, you are going to receive, let's say if you receive the 32.65 USDT in your Geegpay wallet, you are going to make 5,500 profit. Remember, we started this with 50,000 naira. So with our 50,000 naira, we have been able to make 5,500 naira. Let's move to our calculator and see if this actually, to show you how much you'll be making if you actually go this 5 times. You know, Geegpay is actually a good platform that you can actually use to make money, so you don't need to be panic about it. It's very legit. So I think I've shown you my transaction I've been doing with Geegpay. So let me show you something here. 5,500. If you go this like 5 times, you will making 27,500 naira. Imagine going like 27,500 times 30 days, you making 825,000 naira every single month. So this is actually profitable. You just need to be looking into the market and try out your analysis the same way I'm showing you. So in exchange of this, please, I want you to subscribe to my channel, like my video, and share my video. You know, I'm actually doing this for free. I went online doing research for you guys so that I could bring something that is actually profitable to your wallet. Okay, so just subscribe to my channel. I will be dropping this every day and every day for you guys for free. Thank you for watching.